what I'm trying to do here is going to try and open up the gap here around the front of the mirror case and then use the pry tools to then try and pry it open. So I'm just using like an old ID card here. Oops. Okay, so let's see if something a little bit stronger will persuade the casing to split. Oop. Okay, something's let go finally. Let's keep going with this. Oh, let's try the other way. Yes. Frame. It's a bit of ground wire or something stuck here, so I don't want to wreck it. There's a little retaining clip here, and I guess it's on the other side as well. Perfect. So there's this little tab here on the side that needs to be moved over. Then the board can lift up. You can see everything in the back. I'm going to disconnect the two red points here at the glass. Alright, so that's the glass. You can see that's come off nice and undamaged, which is really good. Here on the mirror, so these things obviously hook into the PCB to then pull current through, I guess, to make the mirror dim. But these connections actually all look pretty solid as well. Well, for my sensor, it actually wasn't working anymore, so this green status LED wasn't on, and I could tell that the auto dimming wasn't working. So now that I'm in here, I wonder if any of the wires have come loose or anything like that, but it doesn't look like it at all. Take it off, there's a little part that you press, push it into itself, then I'll take it out. It all looks pretty neat. No damage. Yeah, so I'm not really sure as to why that wasn't working anymore, but sometimes it would turn the light on, but the dimming still wouldn't work. I reckon what I'll do is I'll get my soldering iron out and just reflow these points that I can see next to that white, next to the white connection. So I've also reinforced the soldering on the 2 points here that stick up, which is where the mirror plugs go into. And I've also done that on the rear as well at those 2 points. Another point that I've reinforced are these 3 contacts here where the button is, and I've also just done it there on that side. They're the biggest points that I can see, and it's interesting because looking at them closely, before I added more solder onto it, you can kind of see some gaps on either side. So whether or not that's gonna help, we'll see. Yeah, cool. So you can see that snaps together pretty easily. Fingers crossed. I'm just gonna run some current through the plug. So we know that pin 1 is power, pin 2 is ground. So hopefully when I test this, the green light shows up. So after all of that effort, the green light was turning on, however, the dimming function wasn't working. Once again, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.